GG's, man. GG's. It's over. Let's break down why we took this trade this morning, guys. So first thing that we looked at this morning was our bias. So I'm gonna go here. You guys can see we did break even on this trade earlier today. So just viewing my notes earlier this morning, we had an initial bias, and I'm gonna open this up here. And basically what I was looking at is I was looking at this most recent leg. I said we had lots of inefficiencies that we could potentially come and rebalance, and we had some 15-minute SIBIs. Originally, I was looking to see if we could go higher and take out previous day highs and all-time highs first, because we had relative equal highs up there. I was looking to see if we can come up higher, and then we could initially sell down to the downside and fill up all these inefficiencies that we created yesterday and basically just rebalance this whole leg. All right, so now getting into the markets, here's what happened. So the market opened up right here. Market opened up and instantly we sold lower. First thing I noticed is that we did create this nice liquidity pool sitting right here, and we were selling off. So we didn't get that initial sweep that we were looking for to come higher. Now, as the market was selling off, we had this 15-minute right here. Market was selling off and we traded into this 15-minute bullish gap, this BISI right here that we traded into. So another thing that I was watching was ES. I was watching ES, and one thing that I noticed is before this price action, before we invalidated this, I want you guys to pay attention to some things right here. So I'm gonna shift this out. We're gonna leave this alone. And we had some SMT. So we had from this 715 low, that external low that took out London lows, from that 715 low to 10 a.m., right? That 10 a.m. 4-hour candle that opened, we had an SMT here with NQ. So going to this 715 right here, boom, to 10 a.m., you can see we had that SMT. That's a clear divergence. And we're tapping into a 15-minute unfilled gap. So that was a nice area to where I could scale in and look for my potential entry model inside of here. So we had that SMT, and basically I scaled in and I'm looking for a small manipulation to the downside with a potential reversal and a potential inversion entry that's going to take us higher. So this morning, the market sells off into that 15-minute. We create that SMT. 10 a.m. opens right here. And here is, boom. Here is that 3-minute right here. This is that 3-minute inversion that we ended up executing off of. Boom. Stop loss was at the low. And our target here was these highs, right? That was our original target, was to take us all the way to these highs. But we did have some conditional points, and the 15-minute, this bearish gap that was created at the open was our 15-minute condition. And basically, once we reach this 15-minute, I was going to go break even no matter what, okay? Because this is a 15-minute bearish SIBI, and that could also create that price action that would lead us towards the downside. And you can see that's exactly what happened here. Once we tapped into that 15-minute, you can see the market kind of just sold off and we gave that wick. So I knew to go break even once we reached that 15-minute, and we ended up getting break even on this trade. We do have Powell speaking later today. So Powell speaking today is definitely like a big reason why the market is kind of chopped out. The main thing that you could have caught today was some shorts. So comment down below if you did catch some shorts, and let me know what shorts you guys caught today. I was looking for the longs inside this 15-minute with that SMT, ended up not delivering. We didn't go nowhere, and we ended up getting break even on this day. As you can see here on my journal on TradeZella, we ended up getting break even, lost about $7. So that was the day for me personally. Let me know what you guys took. Let me know if anybody caught some nice shorts this morning.